Your new vehicle was produced to Nissan's high standards using the latest techniques and quality control. It is supported by a comprehensive warranty. You have received a warranty information booklet that explains all the facts you'll need to know. You have also received a Nissan service and maintenance guide, customized precisely to your vehicle and model. It contains comprehensive guidelines for when to have your vehicle serviced, to keep your warranty in effect, and to help assure maximum driving performance. It's extremely important to follow the maintenance log in your Nissan service and maintenance guide. Keeping track of the dates when the maintenance or repair was performed will assist both you and your service technicians. You'll have an accurate, up-to-date picture of your vehicle's maintenance history and a guide for when future service is recommended. Careful attention to maintenance will help assure that your warranty coverage is protected and your vehicle performs well month after month, mile after mile. There are day-to-day general maintenance issues that only you can be alert to as the vehicle's owner. You're urged to read carefully the maintenance section of your owner's manual. In it, you'll find comprehensive, easy-to-understand instructions for maintenance checks. Naturally, your Nissan dealer knows your vehicle best. When you require service or have questions, trust them to assist you.